Hi, welcome to Informatica Cloud Support videos. I am Pooja from Informatica Global Cloud Support, and I would walk you through the steps involved in subscribing to the status page notifications. I hope this video would help all the Informatica Cloud customers in receiving timely updates and alerts on upcoming upgrades or releases associated downtimes on their respective pods and services and components. Let's have a look how we can subscribe to the email notification. Before we can start the demonstration, let's look at few important links and websites that would help us to achieve this. To be able to get the email notifications on releases and upgrades scheduled for our org, please check for all the release schedule on Informatica network page. To subscribe, go to the status.informatica.com and click on subscribe to updates. We have major releases and upgrades every 4 to 5 months when you would experience a downtime. For such releases and upgrades, we have a pre-release environment set up which will be available for testing 3 weeks prior to the upgrade. If you would like to take advantage of pre-release environment, kindly contact your respective customer sales manager. We have a calendar on network.informatica.com under Clouds, Cloud Data Integration. For accessing the calendar, kindly navigate to the said link. You can subscribe to this if you are interested by clicking on follow. Now let's have a look how we can subscribe to the email notifications. Navigate to status.informatica.com website, click on subscribe for updates button. Once clicked, you would need to provide your email address to receive the email notification. Check your email inbox and confirm your subscription. This is how the confirmation email would look like. Click on confirm subscription. Once you confirm, you can choose the components you would like to subscribe for your specific pod. For example, if your pod belongs to NA West 1 services, then you can select all the services that you are interested in. You can click on the checkbox and enable those. Similarly, customers on pod 2 can select the respective components and services under pod 2. And the same is applicable for all the customer under different pods. You can uncheck those services which you are not interested in. Once done, you can click on Save. In this way, the component subscriptions are saved. You can also unsubscribe from the notification emails. If you want to stop getting those alerts, you can always unsubscribe and subscribe again to the new email address if you would like to receive alerts on some different email addresses. In this video, we saw how we can access Informatica network website to check the release calendar and subscribe and unsubscribe the status page notification. Thank you for watching the video. We would love to hear back from you, and you can provide your feedback at supportvideos@informatica.com or Informatica Support Twitter handle. Thank you.